Yes, recording.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Veronica or Ronnie. Okay, today we're going to be doing Banoffee pie. So we're just only going to do the base because that's going to be easier. Okay, I've got chocolate chip, butter, original butter, so we're gonna put butter in there to make it smooth. So we got the blender, so we're gonna blend the cookies in here. So let's get into it. I'm gonna cut the paper. And then put open the... I ripped it too fast.
And the biscuits got away.
Yeah, they ran away from me. Bastards. Putting the biscuits in the blender. There we go. Second. Okay,
Hang on, is it? No, hang on. Oh.
you stop it.
Oh. No.
We're going to put it on. I'm going to look over. Ah, it's on. Okay. Is it one or two?
Go. So, zap it up to 2 and zap it up to 3. Oh, yeah, do it.
What? This is what it looks like. Or what's it called?
Mix.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it 150 grams, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna, I'm not good at cutting, guys. I might about here. Oh. The paper's running away from me. Ew, that butter on me.
Put that paper on top so it doesn't spatter in the... No,
This one here?
on the butter so it doesn't spatter when you put it on the microwave.
Okay. Gotta put the butter in the microwave. How much?
Maybe just a minute, just
Is
to...
it? Got my hands.
Hang on, yes.
Okay, I'm going to put the amount of butter in the blender. So I'm going to blend the butter and the crumbs together. So I'm going to pour the butter around. Where's the lid?
Hang on, is it? No, hang on.
I'm going to put it on one.
Yes. Now,
The butter and the crumbs together. So I'm going to check now. Turn it off.
good girl, yes.
Do you think that it looks?
Yes, you should be able to...
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna grease this with the original butter. With the paper towel. So that much. So I'm gonna, oops.
Good girl, going up the sides.
Then I'm gonna go up the sides and I'll keep going. That's enough, eh, Mum?
Yes.
Yep. Yeah. Put it on here. The base stuff in here.
And use your fork.
Yeah, I'm going to use my fork. I might use my hands.
Yep. Because you washed your hands before you started, so that's alright.
Yeah, I know. There you go. That looks good, Mum.
What's you doing it? Do you think it's nice and flat and...
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Ugh, got my hands. And
See?
sit and hollow.
Hard.
And hard. Hollow and hard is all the same.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
And then what you're going to do, make the
top stuff
filling.
Later on. So yeah. Now we're going to put the base in the fruit I'm going to freeze the fruit.
Ready. Hang on.
Okay. We got. Oh, okay. We get to the next part because now we're going to do
The filling.
the filling part. So I'm got a can of caramel. So I'm gonna open it up. Gonna tip it in.
Oh, got the spatula.
Got the spatch. Might use a. I'm gonna spatula it now.
Smoothing it.
Smoothing. Looks alright. Smooth it around. Smooth it around. I'm moving the. Smoothing it and. There you go. That was pretty much empty.
Okay, we'll put your spatula in there then. So, yeah.
So, oops. About there.
Yeah, just...
Oops. Just keep chopping a little not too big, only little, but keep chopping. I thought we did the banana and the base part. That's alright. Do something different. I thought you meant to do the bananas inside. Oh well.
What, put the banana on the base?
I don't know.
No.
I'm chopping. Put it on here. Oops. Chop. Chop. You can stop it if you want, Mum.
Yes.
Okay. Got the cream. I'm going to shake it up first. Open up. Just open up the cream. Just put the flavour off. I'm going to tip the cream in here. So we're going to hand mixer until, now it's all whipped. I'm going to shake this. So I'm going to get the spatula, cream in here, and I'm going to spread it wide. I'll just do all of it.
Ugh.
Huh? Why you went in? I've got more cream left. And then what do you think, Mum?
Nice. All the cream on.
Yep. Yeah. Yep. Look at that. Oops. Okay. And here I'm going to do the flakes. I'm going to crunch them up and put them on top of the cream. Start with this. Just sprinkle it around. Yep. Spread the flakes around.
Side.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm doing. Trying to. Keep bringing it around. Keep spreading. Thank you for watching my video to make Banoffee pie. Click that subscribe button, click that bell notification for more videos down the line. The recipes on my description down below. So if you guys want to cook it or bake it, whatever, you get the, yeah. Ronnie is out. Bye.